guys, thanks for watching. I hope you're well wherever you are in the world right now. I didn't actually come down here to the beach, Macra Beach, down here in Wellington, to whinge and moan and rant about the Canon Camera Connect app. But hey, plans change and that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I mean, I've been down here for half an hour now, moving between the camera, which is over there by you, around about 10 meters away, and I'm sitting on this log right here. I've been trying to connect onto the Canon Camera Connect app for this whole time. I've been connecting onto the Wi-Fi, connecting to my phone, and then going into the remote shooting. And as soon as I walk away from the camera, it crashes out, or I literally just blink and the connection drops out, or all of a sudden the image freezes, like now. Oh, it's recovered again. See, that's the thing, it's kind of like taking your car to the mechanics. You've got all problems with your car and then you take it to the mechanics and there's nothing wrong with it. And it's kind of a similar issue I've had here, because at the very moment I decided to do a whinge and a moan and a rant about the Canon Camera Connect app, it's working okay. So yeah, I'm not really too sure what to do about this, but it is really, really frustrating, because what you want to do is just connect to the Wi-Fi on your camera, get to the remote shooting module in your phone, and just for it to work. Not to glitch, not to delay. I mean, the delay can be up to 5 or 10 seconds, sometimes more, before the image refreshes. So it's really quite annoying. And once you've done that for about half an hour, it's hard to sit down in a relaxed state and then carry on with your videoing. And that's kind of what I'm finding now. So one thing I'm really hoping for sometime soon is for Canon to update this Canon Camera Connect app so we can have a reliable, solid connection between the camera and the phone and be able to use the feature that they're providing to us. Naturally, things aren't always going to go well, but in this day and age, with connectivity, Bluetooth and NFC and Wi-Fi, I can't understand why the app is so glitchy. And I also understand that it's not just Canon, that people have the same issues with the other manufacturers' apps. Could that be you? Is there something that you have an issue with? Let me know below. Because what I find is I come out to these places to do a video, really nice and relaxed, and then all of a sudden have these problems. It delays your shooting for a lot of time. It's really, really frustrating to try and overcome. As soon as I decide to sit down and whinge and rant about it, the thing is working perfectly. So all this time is just being wasted, building up to nothing. Anyway, are you with me on this? Do you have issues with the Canon camera app yourself? Do you have any suggestions about how I can make it work better for me? Do you know anything about Canon? Are they going to be releasing a new version of the app? Or have they hung their hat on this and we just have to deal with it the way it is? What do you reckon? I'd be interested to know if you have the same sort of frustrating setup issues that I do. Really, really annoying. Anyway, that's it. I'll let you go. Catch you on the next one.